might have clashed. We'll see in Confederate gray, Julie Early's 24th Virginia Infantry Regiment, and in Union blue, under Lancaster's own John Reynolds, the 16th Maine, the 142nd Pennsylvania, and the 6th New York. Here we go. And keep your eyes peeled. Pleasure grounds. But I must say, and I hope it's not indelicate of me to observe this,
Okay, thank you.
but to my 19th century eyes, a most well-clad ruined era, the folks patronizing this park seems to be scandalous. These people in this park seem to be scandalously ill-clad. In fact, I dare say, from my vantage point in 1863, they all appear to be in their undergarments. This, folks, is not the Lancaster County I'm familiar with.